Good morning, this is David from David's Garden Seeds. I'm reading a lot on Facebook about people having a hard time getting their fresh eggs to boil, to peel, right? And I'm going to show you this little gadget here. This is a Cuisinart egg central thing, okay? Comes with this here, you can poach, make yourself an omelet, or you can do the eggs. Now comes this little jar here, it tells you what amount of water to put in. We're doing hard-boiled eggs, so pretty much do that. Pour it in here. Now the secret to getting these eggs to peel easily is you have to take the egg, the small end here, there's a little thing right here, you poke a hole in it. Okay? And of course it sounds terrible. Oh, whoop! That was the first time for everything. That one's a little weak, I should have known better. And the secret to this is getting this hole in the top. Okay, so that's my purchase today. And just put the cover on it. And you just turn it on. And it goes to town. Alright. Let's see, we'll get back to the chickens. Alright, this will be whenever it's ready, and that's all you do for now. Make its noise, it's done. You can take it off, be careful because there might be some steam under here. Okay. That's normal for them to do that. Right. We take the lid off, be careful because there's steam under here. I'm going to take one of these off. It's a little warm. Bring it over here. Pour a little cold water on it. And then crack it. And as you can see, it peels easy as pie. And these eggs are about 1 to 2 weeks old. We don't put on no ice, we don't do anything like that. We just run a little cold water so I can handle it. If I wanted to, I could wait until they cool down a little more and mess with them, but they're good to go. So if you're having a problem peeling those eggs, get you one of these Cuisinart things.